Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix notification sound not working in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your notification sound is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to open your settings app, and now in settings, just scroll down and look for sound and haptics. Select this option and you have to make sure that your silent mode is not enabled. So if you're enabled, just disable this. Then here you'll get customizer for your ringtone and alerts. So you just have to maximize it however you can, and from this you can swipe it and it will maximize your notification sound. After doing this, you have to scroll down and here you have to make sure that you have set it as anything for all of your options. As you can see, there's a none option selected. So just select this option and just select any notification sound from here, because sometimes it might be that your notification are selected to none, so there will be no any notification or any notification sound. So you just have to select any one or any option for all of these. After doing this, you have to simply go back from here, go to notification settings, and you just have to make sure that your notifications are enabled for every of your single app. So if you're facing notification issue with any your single app, so for example, I'm gonna select my Facebook app, that my Facebook app isn't showing any notifications. I'm going to select my Facebook app here, and you just have to try to enable all these settings or all the toggles for your notifications of your Facebook app. So if there will be any issue with your Facebook notification, it will be fixing this app. So you can do the same thing for all of your apps here. So after doing this, you have to simply go back and you have to go ahead to your general section. Also go to try to software update. So if you find any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for the Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So here, after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone and you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. But if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can also scroll in your control center and you just have to make sure that you're not on do not disturb, or if your do not disturb was enabled or any of your focus is enabled, you have to try to disable that. So after disabling all of your focus, you have to go back from here and go to settings app. If you're still facing any issue, just go to this general section. Scroll down, look for transfer reset iPhone, select reset and select reset all settings from here. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset all settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone setting, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.